Hello, this video will show you how to register for classes online in PowerSchool. Before a parent can assist with class registration, the parent will need to create a parent account in PowerSchool. Please see the Creating a Parent Account in PowerSchool tutorial linked below or in Schoology and refer to the letter that was sent home with students with their third quarter report card. Once the parent has successfully created a parent account in PowerSchool, the student-parent team may begin the online registration process. This process only involves L&C students currently in grades 6 through 11. This registration can be performed by either going through the parent's PowerSchool account or by having the student log into PowerSchool. The student login information can be found at the bottom of the letter that was sent home with the third quarter report card. Parent or students will need to go to lnc.powerschool.com and log in either using the newly created parent account credentials or the student login information that was found at the bottom of the letter. That will bring you here. Either the student or parent will need to log in here. Do not click on the student sign-in. Students and parents will log in at this point right here. Logging in will take you to the grades and attendance screen. You will need to click the class registration to select your courses. That will bring you here to the course selection screen. This is an example of a middle school course selection screen. As you see here, their core classes are required and already pre-selected for them. They will pretty much have an option for their electives. This is an example of a senior level selection screen. Their required courses are English and math, and potentially social studies, and then their electives as well. And then for the purpose of this video, the example I'm going to use will be the freshman screen. So we will start the process. For all our freshmen, you see here that health and PE is already selected. I have a green check mark. That cannot be edited. So you click here, it's there. You are not able to change that. So anything that is required for all, you cannot change. So that's what's for the health and PE. If I go up to English, in the example you'll notice there are two English 1 options, but only one is available. The English 1 standard is available. The reason being is that the prerequisite has not been met, which is why you get the alert. The prerequisite is you need the English teacher recommendation. If you wish to be considered for an honors or AP level course that is not available to you, you will need to email your current teacher in that subject that you're requesting the recommendation. So, once again, if you want to be recommended for an honors or AP course that you have not been recommended for, you need to email that teacher for a recommendation or to have the conversation about a recommendation. So, for this example, I will select the English 1. I have my green check mark. I click OK. For math, math is going to be different leveled. I don't have the prerequisites. For honors, once again, you see you need a recommendation. For the math, what you're seeing here is that it doesn't say I need a recommendation, but it's a standard level course. I have not taken Math 1 yet, so I cannot register for Math 2. Same thing as for Math 3. So, select Math 1. Science, selecting my standard level. I'm getting my green check marks. Social studies, same thing. I've got my check marks here. Now I can go down to my electives. So, what's missing for Spanish 2, I'm not available. Prerequisite not met because I don't have Spanish 1. For the purpose of this, French 2 is available. For the purpose of this video, we're making that available. So therefore, you can see what would happen if the prerequisite was met. French 2 is available. So I'll select French 2 and Art 1. I've selected my two courses. Okay. So all my requests are there. What we also want are for students to put in their alternates. So in case you don't get one of your top 2 choices, what other classes would you be willing to take? And only select classes that you would be willing to take. So in this case here, we'll take these 3 electives, click OK. I have all green checks. I will click a submit button. For your true screen, this is just a preview screen. For your true screen, you'll have a submit button. Click submit. Once you click submit, you will come to a screen that says course requests. It'll have all the courses requested listed, plus the alternates. Our advice is that you save a copy of that screen. Print it as a PDF or print a paper copy. Save that copy. That is proof that you have completed registration and the courses are selected, because until we close the registration process, this can all be edited. So for parents, if you are working with this with your student, you want to have that verification that this is what you guys selected. And we also recommend that you go in the day before registration closes to verify what you selected is still there. If you have any questions, talk to your counselor or administration.